Olunaku olwaleero nyongedde okuwa Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine ekitiibwa. Simanyi oba kati muyite title ki. Bobi Wine okujja kwe mu byobufuzi we tutegeredde ebintu ebimu ebibadde mu gavumenti ya Museveni okumala emyaka nti biyina amakulu. It was after Bobi Wine coming we twategeera nti Parliament wabeerawo leader of opposition. It was after Bobi Wine coming ensi we yategeera nti mu Parliament wabeerayo akakiiko ka kkosasi ng'akate ka mugaso nnyo. Lwe twategeera omugaso gwa komishona wa Parliament we twategeera nti Parliament erina obukiiko obw'enjawulo. Olunaku olwaleero ndowooza eggwanga litegedde nti akakiiko aka Park Central akakulemberwa omukyala Goreti Namugga ka makulu nnyo. Olunaku olw'ejjo bayise poliisi. Namugga n'agibuuza ebibuuzo ebikwata ku bo okusimba amakanda mu maka ga Kyagulanyi Ssentamu Robert Bobi Wine gye bali na buli kati. Naye njagala owulirize wa poliisi bwe bamubuuziza ku mbeera eyo kyazzeemu ogenda tegeera nti mu butuufu Uganda kyakusekererwa. Vuga video.
Honorable President of the National Unity Platform's home, give us an update. For how long have you been there? How is the home? Update us. And because the man might be enjoying the place. So tell us the feel of the home when.
Of course, our presence there is our presence is there to provide security, because all of you know that he's not there. So if we are not there, people vandalize his property.
Hello.
So we are there making sure his property is safe.
But Madam Chairperson, they are
No,
providing.
honorable members, a moment. Let him respond first, please. IGP, the microphone is yours.
Yeah, so I've said we are there to maintain the security of the home from vandalism, because people are not there. Yes.
We want to learn from you. We understand that home was vandalized. People came in the night. You saw that clip of the First Lady being brutalized. Where was the police? Who came to vandalize during the night, and where was the police?
That's why we are there. So that
Eno gye bayita National Unity Platform. First and foremost, bayise police okujja okunnyonnyola ku nsonga ez'enjawulo mu ggwanga Uganda. Naye eyabadde alina okubeera IGP Abaasi Akagaba. IGP naye yategedde nti mutuufu nja kwokya. Teyagenzeeyo baakisindisa omwami oyo. Omwami bamubuuzizza, bamugambye okubabuulira ku mbeera eri mu maka ga Kyagulanyi poliisi gyeri na lwaki baliyo. Omukulu n'agamba nti tuli mu maka ge oggawa security. Omukyala Namugga n'amugamba security eno yali luddawa abantu we bajja ne bamenya, because agambe tuli mu maka ge okwewala abantu okujja ommenya ogenda mu nnyumba otwala ebintu. N'amubuuza wali luddawa olunaku lwe bayingira mu maka ga Kyagulanyi ne batuusa ku bye baatuusa ku Babi ne bamenya n'ommenya. Omukulu n'agamba ekyatututteyo kukola ekyo kuziyiza bantu abo. Naye nga remember abakulu bano baasalako amaka ga Kyagulanyi ennaku z'omwezi nga 15. Buli omu asese busesi. Omusajja naye atuuse ekiseera n'alaba nga mu butuufu takyaswala, aswaza buswaza. Njagala owulirize kye bamukoze.
so that it doesn't reoccur. I think the Undersecretary can talk about the NTR.
The Undersecretary, no. As we do leave that issue, the IGP is informing us that because they came and because our concern was actually we want to appreciate you for providing the security to someone's home who is not there, but to also remind you that you took occupancy when the family was still there. It should be on record. The time we took occupancy of that place in regard to provision of security, the family was there. The first lady was still there. Barbara Chagulanyi was still at home. And the time they vandalized the home, you were in charge of security. So we take note that you did not see the people who came to that place when at the brutality that took place in that home. Police was there, but they never saw the person the people who vandalized the home. It was at night and police did not see. And also we take note that the reason as to why you are still there is because the home was vandalized, so you are still there to maintain the security in the home. That is what we are taking out of you. So we want to know, when do you intend to leave the place?
Can Honorable Nandala advise us?
When do you intend to leave the place?
I mean, when they come back.
But Madam Chair.
Because, yes.
Yes,
Honorable Asman. We shall advise him to use private security organization.
Let him first respond. When he comes back, you will?
We advise him to get alternative security.
Chairman.
So, Honorable Asman, a moment. When he comes back, you will?
Advise him to get alternative security, like from private security organization. Yes.
By the way, where is he? Could you be?
Okuva Maka ga Kyagulanyi omukulu n'agamba tugenda va Maka ga Kyagulanyi wanaakomawo era tujja kumuadvisinga okukozesa private security companies okuuma naye amaka gano golaba basebo ne banyabo abantu bonna abaali bagabeeramu babagobamu ab'eŋŋanda za Kyagulanyi Sentamu Robert Bobi Wine nabo tebabakiriza gendayo. So they want to use this nti Kyagulanyi abaakomawo mu maka ge ye kyagamba nti bagenda va makaago nga Bobi Wine mwennyini akomyewo. Kati nno firimu erabika etandise butandisi. Firimu etandise butandisi. Njagala twongere owuliriza ka kilipu kaneeno.
Knowing where he is?
No, I don't know where he is.
But Chairman, I, the IGP, to casually respond to the matter of grave human rights concern. Grave human rights concern. And I don't know why IGP, you are taking a casual response to this matter. Number one, and Afani Kafero knows, you know I have been with him in the trenches. This is Kafero here, my friend. The courts have said, because when you camped at Dr. Besigye's home, we went to court and challenged your deployment and roadblocks. And the courts said police has no right to keep a person incommunicado at their home because a home is not a detention facility. They even told you that house arrest is equally illegal. So how do you camp at somebody's home and you are violating the right of ingress and egress? That's entry and exit. The family, the other day his brothers went and sisters went, they could not access the home. They needed permission from you. The lawyers from Uganda Law Society, even his private lawyers, attempted to access that home. They were blocked by you. Honestly speaking, which kind of security and protection are you talking about by denying? You are not only denying the right of entry, even exit. The family members of Honorable Kyagulanyi inside cannot easily exit. Even people who want to take their food, you are blocking them. You are frustrating them. Really, IGP, can really this be a matter to casually talk about? Are you giving it the seriousness it deserves, or you have chosen that kind of path?
IGP?
Madam Chair, it says I should protect life and property, detect crime and prevent it. So if we are not seeing any element of that in that home,